We all want to blur our photo background to create a DSLR like depth of field in our smartphone photography. If you are looking for the best photo blur application, then I recommend you to use afterfocus apps. Afterfocus is one of the best camera apps to get a blur effect in your image. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to give a blurry background effect using the afterfocus application, which is available to download free for Android and iOS smartphones. The afterfocus is a mobile blur background application for photo editing. The specialty of this application is the advanced ability to create DSLR stylish photo. Here we are using an Android smartphone for creating the background blur effect, but the steps and method are same for iPhone users too. First of all, download the afterfocus application to your smartphone. For Android smartphone, use the Google Play Store and use iTunes App Store for iPhone. After installing the app, run it and you will see a screen as shown in the video, where you will find three options. Now we are going to import an image into the app using the album option. You can choose or import the photo you want to edit from the gallery, Google Drive, Photos or File Manager. After selecting an image, the app will pop up to select the method for selecting focus area. Select the Smart Focus Area selection method. In this method, we just need to draw some line using fingers, and afterfocus automatically recognize the foreground and background which we need to blur. Once your picture imported successfully, you will find some tools at the right side of the screen. To tell the afterfocus app about the area which we need to focus on, we select the first tool, also called focus selector or foreground selector. Select this tool and draw lines around your image as shown in the video. As we are using the smart focus mode, so just draw few lines which help the app to automatically recognize the focus area. Now we will select the background that needs to be a blur. Select the third tool, which is background blur. It uses the black color line. To separate the focus area, draw the line at the background of the image as shown in the video. Remember, the red area is our focus area. Once you selected both the areas, tap on next button given at above of the app. Finally, we have separated the focus area and background area. When everything is done, just tap on save button and the image will save in your gallery inside the folder name after focus. So viewers, if you feel this video helpful, please like and share. If you have any problem or question, please comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and turn on the notification bell to get more tutorials. Thanks for watching.